Had it ever happened to you? Sometimes we are just sitting on our car and we realize our car still got the keys in. Sometimes we got the feeling our car is off when our engine actually is on, and then we just go and crank our engine back again. If you have a quiet engine like me, that is the same mistakes that can happen to anyone. Is your car is not that loud when you turn it on that you barely feel that it's on? This video is for you. And also, is your car is not like the latest model, you know, that already comes with safety features and all that, then you just don't need to watch this video. However, for those people that are interested to it, you should avoid this because this might eventually damage your starter and flywheel. Your starter and flywheel is like pretty much, I would check if I can show you how it looks like, but if you type it in, you know, on Google, any website, you're gonna see it. You will see what I'm talking about. Now that you know what is gonna happen to your car if this is made by mistake, I'm just gonna show you with my car what is going to happen to it when I try to do this. Be aware, I'm doing this on my own risk, and do not do that on yours. I know there are thousands of vehicles that already got included safety features, as I said. The newest models already included, I'm pretty sure. But you know, if you are not one of those luckiest ones, you just have to avoid this to happen by accident. So what I'm going to do right now to turn my car on, you know, just gonna put my keys in and turn it on, and then I'm going to go ahead and rev my engine. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to crank my car what is already on. This is one thing that you should never do to your car. Do you hear that? So when I try to engage my key to the turn on position again, basically what my car is trying to do is to try to engage the starter gear with the flywheel, and eventually it will cause major damage. We just need to avoid this, but there is a very simple solution for that. What you should do is check your odometer and make sure that your RPMs are on 0. That is how you will find out if your car is on or off. Alright, now that you know, just keep that in mind and do not try this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.